Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a pull-out transition on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps, you just click on you can add the video that you want to edit. In here, I want to add a 1, 2, 3 a video. So you just, if you want to add a transition or a pull out transition, so you just click on a box white, this one, click on it, and then in here you just click on camera, and then in here you can see pull out. You just click on it, and then you can adjust the duration for a transition to 1 second or 2 seconds like this. Just swipe left or right. And after this, if you wanna apply this effect to all videos, so you just click on apply to all, this one, click on it and apply to all clips. It's done. And after this, you can click check icon in here and finish. So that how to add a pull out transition on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.